Hey everyone. Welcome back to Carrog 765, the place where we celebrate classic American rides and all things vintage wheels. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button because we bring you the most detailed and appreciative videos on timeless cars, trucks, and vans. Today, we're diving into a true legend, the 1979 Chevy G30 4X4 Custom van. This van isn't just a vehicle, it's a piece of automotive history that combines rugged utility, classic 70s style, and a personality that stands out even today. The 1979 Chevy G30 was part of Chevrolet's full-size van lineup, which also included the G10 and G20 models. But what makes the G30 special, especially this 4X4 custom version, is its blend of strength and adaptability. Originally designed to handle heavy-duty loads, the G30 could serve as a work van, a camper, or a recreational vehicle. Its 4X4 system gives it off-road capabilities that were not very common for vans back in the late 70s, making it an adventurous choice for those who wanted more than just city driving. One of the first things you notice about the 1979 G30 is its classic boxy silhouette. The squared-off body panels, large front grille, and rectangular headlights give it that unmistakable 70s vibe. Back then, Chevrolet was all about practicality, but they also had a knack for styling. The custom van versions often came with unique paint schemes, two-tone colors, chrome accents, and even interior modifications like plush seating, custom carpeting, and sometimes wood paneling on the walls. Owners could literally design a van that reflected their personality, which is why these vans were so popular with families, road trippers, and even small businesses. Under the hood, the G30 4X4 came with a variety of engine options, but the most common were the reliable V8 engines. These engines offered a balance of power and durability, allowing the van to carry heavy cargo or tow trailers without breaking a sweat. The 4X4 drivetrain added extra traction for off-road adventures, snowy roads, or muddy trails. Imagine cruising down a rugged backcountry road in a van like this. You don't just drive, you dominate the terrain. Inside, the G30 Custom van could be almost like a mini living room on wheels. Depending on the customization, you could find swivel captain chairs, foldable beds, mini kitchens, and entertainment systems. This made it perfect for long road trips or weekend adventures. What's amazing is that despite being over 40 years old, many of these vans still run beautifully if well maintained. Collectors today often restore them to perfection, keeping the classic interior designs and vintage vibe intact. The 4X4 version is especially appreciated by off-road enthusiasts. Unlike the standard rear-wheel drive vans, the G30 4X4 can tackle snow, sand, dirt, and rough trails with confidence. It's not just a van, it's a versatile machine that combines utility, nostalgia, and a bit of rugged adventure. For anyone looking to own a vintage van that's both practical and iconic, the 1979 Chevy G30 4X4 Custom van is definitely a dream come true. Another reason why this van is so beloved is its community. Chevy van owners are passionate about their rides. From van shows to online forums, enthusiasts share tips, modifications, and stories about their adventures. Owning a 1979 G30 is not just about having a van, it's about joining a culture that appreciates classic American engineering and the freedom of the open road. From a collector's perspective, finding a well-maintained 1979 G30 4X4 is becoming increasingly rare. Rust, engine wear, and general aging can take a toll over the decades, so pristine examples are highly valued. Restored vans can sell for tens of thousands of dollars, depending on the condition, originality, and custom features. Even for casual enthusiasts, just seeing this van on the road is a nostalgic experience, reminding us of the era when vehicles had personality and character. If you're considering buying one, it's important to check for rust in the frame and underbody, ensure the 4X4 system works perfectly, and verify that the engine and transmission are healthy. Many of these vans are older than most people driving today, but with proper care, they can continue to provide reliable service while turning heads everywhere. In summary, the 1979 Chevy G30 4X4 Custom van is more than just a mode of transportation. It's a statement, a piece of history, and a versatile vehicle that can handle both adventure and nostalgia. From its classic design to the powerful V8 engines and unique custom interiors, it embodies everything that made 70s vans unforgettable. Whether you're a collector, a road trip lover, or just someone who appreciates automotive history, the G30 is a van that deserves respect and admiration. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this appreciation of the 1979 Chevy G30 4X4 Custom van, don't forget to subscribe to @Carog765 for more videos about classic American cars and vans. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update, and let us know in the comments which vintage vehicle you want us to cover next. Remember, it's not just about cars, it's about celebrating the passion, the style, and the stories behind every ride. Stay tuned, keep exploring, and drive safely.